Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making peanut butter cookies. Yeah, these are one of the best cookies I have made in a long time. So, let's start. Grab a bowl and add the peanut butter to it. Add some normal caster sugar and some dark brown sugar. This gives a deep caramelized flavor to the cookies. Also add soft butter. Mix this until it becomes fluffy and creamy. Add some salt like Salt Bae and 1 egg. Mix this together as well. Now add the baking powder and all of the flour and let it snow. When it becomes crumbly, go in with your hands and form a ball of the dough. Wrap this in plastic film and leave it to cool in the fridge. Once it has cooled, go on and roll little balls of the dough. Place these on the baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now grab a fork and push on the cookie to give it a nice imprint. Bake them in a 180 degrees Celsius oven for around 12 minutes and enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos of me. And let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next one.